Hello and welcome to a Meditech training video by the IT training team, which is filled with help and tips on setting up favourites for your orders.
Hello, welcome. My name is Richard Slater. I'm the Chief Clinical Information Officer here at Rotherham. What we're trying to do is introduce a series of videos aimed at improving clinician user experience in interacting with our electronic healthcare records. Over the series of videos we'll be introducing you to some concepts that you may or may not be familiar with and which will hopefully allow you to streamline and make more efficient your workflows in dealing with the electronic record and hopefully improve your user experience as well. As always, we are open to feedback and welcome your input and comments. I'm quite happy to receive those. So without further ado, we'll take you into the video. One of the concerns that a lot of our clinicians have is the repetitive nature of ordering things like blood tests, CT scans and that sort of thing. If you were to put the things that you order most regularly into your favourites list, you can simplify this process and cut out quite a lot of additional extraneous work. This video will explain how to do just that.
Setting up your favourites list will save you having to search for them every time you need them. Any favourite list you do set up will then follow you around regardless of which patient's record you have open and regardless of which computer you are logged onto. To set up any of your favourites lists, you need to be in a patient's record regardless of whether you are ordering the test for the patient or not. First of all, we're going to set up a favourite list for our orders. Click the Orders button, which will take you to the Orders screen. Here you will see any orders that have been currently placed for this patient. However, we need to build up new orders in order to be able to add them to our favourites list. Click New Orders. You can now search for any order by typing in the name of the test. I'm going to type in FBC for full blood count, and because I want to save this as a favourite, I'm going to tick in the box at the side of the full blood count. And as you can see up at the top of the screen, that order has now been queued up. We can now repeat the search for any additional tests. So for the next one, I'm going to search for liver function test and type in LFT. I'm going to put a tick in the box at the side of the liver function test, and you can see there that I've now got 2 orders queued up. Now that we've got our tests queued up, we want to make sure that we add them to our favourites list. So I'm going to click the Manage Favourites button at the bottom of the screen, and this will take you to the Manage Favourite Order list. We now need to tick the boxes at the side of the test that we want to save as favourites. And click the Save button. Don't forget, we haven't placed any of these orders yet. All we've done is set them up as our favourites. If you did want to continue to order these tests for the patients, you'd click the Next button at the bottom of the screen there. However, because we only want to add these to our favourites list, we're going to click the Back button and then click the Yes button to cancel the orders. Now when you go to place an order for any patient, it will default to your favourites list. To order them, you would just put a tick in the box at the side of the test and then click the Next button and continue to place the order.
Thank you for your attention. Hope you found our video useful and informative, and I look forward to welcoming you to the next one in due course. Goodbye.
And that's it. If you need any further guidance, please contact a member of the IT systems training team, and the details are on screen now. Thank you.